Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel ROHITH TECH. In today's video I'm gonna show you the craziest website ever I've found on the internet. So before starting the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So let's get started. So the website name is ndsearch.com. so after clicking on the first link, you can see this type of interface here. Hello, I'm your ND. The better you search, the better answer. So if you ask the question in detailedly like this, I have asked in here, so can I get a GTA 5 game download link for free? So after clicking this, you can see type of interface here. It will take few seconds of time to provide you the link. So after taking few seconds of time, this will actually provide you the full game link for PC. So you can click on that and download it for yourself. I'm asking the another question like this: can I get a KGF 2 movie download link for free? So after that, again you can see this type of interface here. So after that, you can it will take a few seconds of time again, and it will actually provide you the download link for free. So after clicking on the see the search full result, so you can see this here. You can search, you can have a news, you can have a videos and all. So after clicking on the videos and all, you can actually get a movie download link for free. You can click on that, you can actually watch the movie full. So for example, I am again searching here, can I get a Spotify premium download link for free? So again you can see this type of interface here. So this actually provided me the Spotify premium link for free. So I can just click it on this and I can download it for free. So like this, you can ask each and everything for this website, like paid softwares, games, music, apps, etc. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.